Hello guys, we make tanghel. Hello everyone, this is May de los Santos Cocoquera. So this channel is about travel, food, and go out with kids and enjoy where we go. So welcome to my channel and I hope you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Guys, good afternoon. So, boring na naman ang live sa Cocoquera. Kaya, gagawa tayo ng tanghulo for Sahira. So, stay at home ang Cocoquera kasi busy ang taon ngayon. Madaming tao kasi bukas despiras ng pista dito sa Dumaguete. So, yan. Gawin natin tong tanghulo for today's video, guys. Ang Cocoquera, stay at home. So, gawa tayo ng tanghulo. So, linis na siya, guys. So, tatlo lang. So, ang ganda pala niya gamitin, no? Tatlo. Then, mag-caramelize tayo ng sugar. How many you want, Sahira? So, nakakaibang grapes to, guys. Kasi, green. So, gawa ako ng 4. Apat na tanghulo na grapes. Good luck, mommy. Good luck, Cocoquera. Good luck. Yan na. So, mag-peel tayo ng orange. Gawa tayo ng, ano ito? 2. So, pasensya na kayo, guys. If may honestly is the best daw. Be honest. Even others not. Charot. So, 2 lang na orange. Good luck to me. Yeah. So, let's put sugar. Daghano na to kay abi pa lang kuan. Nagtik-tik ta sa sugar, wala tay sugar. Daghano na to. Kay naara ba si Madam sige glantaw. So, then, ato na siyang i-boil nga slowly. So, cook in the high fire. And then, make a twist until it's going dissolve.
Butang dayon ang mga grapes. Ayaw na.
So, nagkuha na siya, bubbles siya pag-ayo. Hoy, never mind sa akong lutuan ha, kay akong lutuan napakoy nindot ani guys, dili na ko ni gamiton akong lutuan pang kuan lang, pang everyday use nga kuan, kay bago kayo to, mahalon pa to sa imong kinabuhi, charot. So nag-caramelize na siya. Okay. Wait a little bit to make it caramelize.
What's a caramel?
So guys, it's caramelized na yung ano natin.
Look at my teeth. Ma, look at my teeth.
So nag-caramelize na siya. Yan. Oo. Ay, gunit isa. Pahirapan naman sa to eh.
Look at my teeth. My teeth. Why?
What sa itong lighter ba? Kining kuhan siya. Ning gahi. Kuang lighter. Hey! Ito nang nagawa ko guys. So listen to learn. Don't turn off your flame while you're doing this one because it's going back to be sugary. So that's I learned. So this
I like
one,
it. I like it.
this one is what you call that? Okay. Yeah. You can taste it. Hi guys, so thank you for watching my video and I hope you like it. And this is May de Los Santos Hokokera. So enjoy your life guys with your family and I will say bye bye. See you.